Okay, real quick, y'all. I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know that my ends were pre-dyed. I already dyed my ends, but I ran out of hair color, so that's why I just did my ends first, because I didn't get enough the first time. The first time I just used one box, but I had to go get another box and just finish and do the roots and whatever. Yeah, so if y'all have a lot of hair like me, just make sure you get enough boxes of hair color, at least 2, because you're gonna run out, girl. Real quick disclaimer, this stuff stinks so bad. Okay, so those little packets that they give in the box, it was not enough for my hair, so I just went ahead and bought my own personal bottle of the Creme of Nature intensive conditioner. So yeah, that's what y'all probably want to do if y'all got a lot of hair.
To Angie. Happy birthday. Get your face over there. To Angie. Happy birthday to Angie.
This is my hair in a twist out or old twist out, and this is my hair in the color, how it looks and everything. I just wanted to show y'all just a little extra of what my hair looked like, just in case y'all didn't get a good glimpse of it or whatever. But the color is fine, you know, it's showing up, it's there. It's not bad. I just feel like next time I will get the proper amount of dye that I need for my hair, instead of having to go back over it and try to re-dye it. But I mean, it's fine. What y'all think? Let me know if y'all want a twist out video, an updated twist out video. This video is really for people that never dyed their hair and they want to use a product that won't give them any damage, and you know, they first time users of hair dye.